Welcome back to Mighty Machines. In today's video, let us venture into more of the amazing machines that help a lot of industries work exceptionally well. Without these smart innovations, many of these things we use or experience now might be non-existent. These are the 12 incredible machines perfect for the modern days. The concept of this machine started with Henry Bonnefosse, who managed a farm of 750 dairy ewes. Involved with every process, he noticed that the task that took the majority of his time and energy is mulching. From here, he decided to make what we now call the EHB straw blower. This is a fully autonomous mulching robot that's capable of working without any human help or action. It can carry on tasks through its programming done with its simple and intuitive interface. Once it has read the program, it can spread the desired quantity of straw at the time indicated in the programming. Aside from that, the straw blower is also very beneficial during the lambing period, where crossing corridors that you don't want to mulch are present, since they can mulch differently depending on how much the zone needs. This unique system is indeed the best for farmers who desire to finish more tasks while mulching, hence saving more time and resources. If you're looking for a machine that can harvest a wide range of leafy vegetables in a very precise manner, the solutions designed by ORTOMEC might be the best for you. They have machines with features that enable careful harvest without sacrificing high productivity. We'll go over some of their main features today. First, ORTOMEC ensures that perfect efficiency is provided by their machines, which is why they really make sure to provide for the installation and commissioning of each machine. ORTOMEC prioritizes customers even after their purchase. That's why they offer complete assistance and spare parts service to whoever owns their machines. They have a warehouse that assures full availability of spare parts, allowing the customer to receive the ordered part within 24 to 48 hours. Then, they have the 360-degree assistance, which promises to help operators with any issue they encounter regarding the machine. Ever since 1972, the Croplands equipment have been excellent providers of spray equipment. But this time, we'll focus more on the VineTech Quantum Mist Orchard Tower Sprayer. With its low volumes and higher ground speeds, this machine is sure to deliver superior coverage. Thanks to the switch inside the cab, it can also increase its flow to the left or right side. Aside from that, it also has a number of axial fans that help the air move in a corkscrew pattern. This is done to get through to the canopy onto the outside of the underside of the leaves. This can also provide a more precise application because of its 3 quantum mist heads per cycle. It also has a total of 24 nozzles per tree canopy side, compared to a conventional sprayer with around 10 nozzles per side, which gives a better coverage than a traditional blast fan. Due to this, fungicide or foliar fertilizer application can also be cut down significantly. This is the OXBO Berry Harvester, and their company offers a full line of harvesters depending on what berry you have. Whether it's berry crops including jojoba, sour cherries, aronia, haskellapes, or saskatoons, they have every size and type of grower perfect for it. OXBO has 5 main types of harvester. First is the OXBO 7440 Blueberry Harvester with movable rear deck, 4 wheels, Ouroboros, Dynorotor, and Dynorotor Plusm. They also have the OXBO 7450 Blackberry Harvester, which has a high-capacity top load, 4-pallet rear deck capacity, 4 wheels, Orbiter Max, and Dynorotor Max for blueberries. And they have the OXBO 8040, known to be a single-drop low to the ground and low on the plan. If that doesn't suit you, they also have the OXBO 8140 Blueberry Harvester with its 4-wheel chassis, single-drop, wide-picking tunnel, and can perfectly work even in tough ground conditions. Finally, they have the OXBO 930 Blueberry Harvester with features like the row behind, full-size picking tunnel, and single-drop delivery. Up next is this self-propelled agricultural machine from SOMAREF. This machine was specifically designed to harvest burley tobacco plants and store them on frames directly on the farm plot and not in the tobacco dryer. It's a four-wheel drive that has hydraulically controlled rear steering wheels and hydrostatic transmission. Things like variable transfer chain speeds can also be controlled from the operator's seat. But for the Perkins combustion engine and the POC lane hydrostatic transmission has a different control screen. Aside from that, it also has an adjustable forward speed limiter, vision cameras, and LED working lights. All these amazing features help this machine to harvest up to 2 hectares per day. Now, let's go to the KUHN mounted reversible plow from Amazon. This is available as a 5 and 6 furrow plow for tractors up to 290 horsepower. Apart from that, it also has a hydraulic working width regulation as standard, as well as an automatically hydraulically adjusted front furrow width. Indeed, this machine was made while thinking about efficiency and effectivity. Would you believe that this machine from ELEKTRONIK TRESAC is capable of harvesting 1,000 to 1,200 trees in just 10 hours of work? Yeah, you heard that right. This can finish what 120 to 150 workers can accomplish manually in less time and while only needing 2 workers. Through this machine, trees are mechanically harvested so that they're able to grow higher and bigger and bear more fruits. It also lifts first branches higher from the ground so that the risk of transmitting diseases from the ground to the fruits is cut down. Now, a better call of caution is given to the fruits, since a higher place would also mean more exposure to the sun and better quality cultivation between the tree lines. This machine can assist in harvesting, cleaning, and packing stone fruits, even when it's only requiring a minimum of 40 horsepower. Since it's 850 kilograms heavy, it's lean to the ground or to the supportive wheel during transportation. The percentage of the tree shaken is also 95% with total removal of impurity, but it's guaranteed that continual change of amplitude and frequency is possible during shaking. If the operation site is located in confined spaces, the FERRI boom mower should be the first one you need to consider. Aside from its extreme versatility, their machines are also the best for horizontal and vertical hedge trimming and can work with grass, shrubs, bushes, sticks, and wood. Today, we'll take a look at 2 of their machines. First is the T350, best for tasks in confined spaces. This can also work either on the right or on the left-hand side of the tractor, which increases its versatility even more. Then they also have the TP Boom Mower Generation, which is known for providing superior performance and durability compared to industry standards. They can also work with other accessories and options that improve its versatility and capabilities more. The new ECOAGHARVESTER is a diesel-powered and self-contained track hydrostatic harvesting machine that incorporates hydraulic technology. This helps achieve multiple operations at once no matter what weather you may be experiencing, hence enhancing the seasonal advantage for multi-season growers. The harvester and crew deliver cleaner celery to the shelves with fewer steps, cleaning and packing 3,000 to 4,000 cartons of celery a day. It's built on a 939C Caterpillar hydrostatic drive chain and undercarriage with 30-inch mud shoes. This harvester can perform multiple operations to harvest 14 beds at a time, and it also utilizes food-quality stainless steel to deliver cleaner produce with less waste and with faster delivery. Now, we have the KUHN Performer, which has discs and tines that offer 4 actions in one single pass. These actions are chopping up, mixing or loosening, leveling, and reconsolidating. This is best for medium to high horsepower tractors, which is around 180 to 700 horsepower. It's also very impressive since it can work with even just one machine, one driver, one pass, and less fuel consumption than conventional tillage, thus increasing your yields by improving the structure of your soils and allowing you to seed at the same time with the SH seeder. Then, here we also have the Orange Harvest by SCHÜLTER. This incredible machine has more than one compartment for the workers that work with it. By doing so, efficiency is maximized, which leads to a higher production. True enough, this machine has very quick and incredible rates of orange collection. Finally, we have the ROPA Mouse 5 with its redesigned R-Concepts cabin. This has been based on the proven Euromouse 4 and was integrated with numerous comfort functions. Its design is also a combination of capacity and efficiency with the 10.2 meter wide pickup system. This also promises to deliver practice-oriented developments with the latest technical innovations. The counterweight arm, which is over 9 meters long, can definitely provide great stability even with the truck loader at maximum width. Through this machine, preparation without leaving the cabin is also made possible. On top of that, comfort and safety of the operator is also treated as a top priority with its 5.1 meters liftable cabin. This machine ultimately offers the best all-around visibility, view of the truck, and pickup. That concludes our list of the 12 incredible machines perfect for the modern days. We'd really love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for watching.